is the future or the past. No stopping anyone. No stopping anyone. Grab those golden rings. Those things will make your engine sing better than everyone. Better than everyone. Here we go. Time to blow. Here we go fast like whoa. Here we go out of control.
I gotta put in the work. I got my power going berserk. Place no case. I know my worth. I'm number one. That's for sure.
Set your goals. Steal their souls. The Sonic racing all around the world. Faster than ever. Make your tires burn. Your brakes are treasure. Skies every turn. We're trailblazing. Sonic racing.
Time to go. Now we're starting up the show. Open the gate. I'm looking great. When we see the gold rolls. Running through the mansions. Looking like the freshest. Kids on the know. Got in the roll. Cross the world.
Sonic racing.
Cross the world.
Hey guys, Supersonic Sam here, and welcome to the classic series of the 2000s of the era, Ratchet and Clank. This game was released by Insomniac Games and, you know, the game that was released. So guys, if you like playing Ratchet and Clank, the classic one, I played the 2016 reboot, and boy, I really love how this would go. Let's get started with the goated nostalgia of Ratchet and Clank featuring today.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Meanwhile, in the factory. Oh, robots. Okay. What's that? Oh! He's just grabbing it. And he's making a quick escape! And there he goes! Bye-bye! Approaching planet Velden. Oh dear. Crash landed. Oh, by the way, there's only one thing. I need to turn on the subtitles, which is on.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travel. The help desk
So
is
I'm
a free
playing
service
as
provided by
Ratchet,
the
and when you can use his Omni Wrench. His Omni Wrench is like the weapon that I can get ready for the battle.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button. To disable help desk. Gadgetron's OmniReach 8000
get hit, I but somehow when you played like the 2016 game, like the movie, I mean I played this back in 2016 and 2019, but back in 2022. Oh yeah.
To use your bomb glove, press the circle button to equip it, and the circle button again to follow. You can also use it in first person by holding down L1.
I just don't know why I can't understand. Boxes. Hey, look, it's Clank! He's picking up. Oh, yeah, he is picking him up. About that, essentially, I may be on its facts that it was.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Oh.
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I,
Oh.
Captain Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet
What
and
is that
adding it to
machine?
our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
Really?
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Ah, shoot.
Deal.
Let's get going.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang
That's
on.
what he calls him.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Yep. Oof.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Oh, yeah. Games are like when you play. What? Okay. So back at this game, it's like when you play the OG 2000 Ratchet Clank game. When you play as the original, then the next one. I believe that's the second sequel. But the second as much as I die. Because I was busy. I don't know why I can't even. But back at it again, I played the Star Racing game. Oh yeah, Sonic Racing. Cross. I mean, the game of its.
Dad, blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right,
Said,
wise
look
guy.
at the
Shouldn't you be
plumber's
on one of them
back.
escape transports?
Escape transports.
Newsflash, giant robots attacking.
The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
We can do that.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Really?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Well, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-scrape!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the infobot for planet Iridia, you'll need to find a ship to get there.
As long as I may say, this game is more legitimately like the...
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Oh yeah, it's like when you press that L1 button. I see this game as like the... Fact. And I'm...
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Okay. Why did I say this game? It's like when you played it, like I may say, I cannot. I can't. Yep. Nothing to get in my can't stop me. Okay, when the game is like when you play for the 2000, it's nothing competitive. Oh yeah, as
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, What are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Okay.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow a...
Oh!
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have coordinates to 2 new planets, you can use your ship. Press the space button to bring them out. Your ship is marked with a star.
Alright, let's see. Visit Al's track. For some reason, I would be saying
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the 3rd island to complete the course. Good luck! Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank?
Yes?
Do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
you loudballs! That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course!
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it was weak. Weak! When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast!
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad. Life's not fair.
Oh. What? This game was nostalgic so much.
Sweet. I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron swing shot. Use it on standard Versa targets like the ones in
Spider-Man!
If the target is out of view, use the L1 to reach.
Game exactly I could this game. It's about the movie of it.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at
Okay.
I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
Yeah, I think it's not gonna.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
Yep.
Try using the Helipack's cruise jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
I lag. Oh dear. You have arrived at your destination. Check your luggage. Let's see.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drek. Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Oh, it's another planet. I have no idea. Like this but I might be prepared for Christmas because I'm very excited for the holidays. Well, that was it for this episode of Ratchet and Clank, and I had to admit it. The game from 2002 was nostalgic so much. I quite really enjoyed that, but I realized I gotta do it for the next episode. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow me on your social medias, and I'll support it to you. Alright, this is Supersonic Sam, signing off. Bye-bye!
知られてる語られる出来事なんて飽き飽きだだから誰も見たことない常識に頭せいされたビリビリエレクトリックギア上げろワンピース滅ばす旅人に次ぐ果てしない野望口が絶えないか世界には絡み合った壊すべきし一応惑ってくらいじゃ読めやしない愛さ思い刻まれた暗号バチバチノーリミットここからがワンピース奇跡概念をぶっ壊すためにちゃんと行くとかそれとともかく磨けビリビリエナジーギア上げろワンピース旅人へ次ぐ意味のない戦いはない り続けてる
This has been Supersonic Zoom's presentations.